Yes, welcome to my vlog.
Hey, vlog. Hello.
Yes.
So, like I said, in Philippines, only 2 seasons. Hot and hotter.
Winter.
No winter, no winter. Only hot, hotter.
Now it's hotter or hot?
Hotter. Yeah. And that's why, as of right now, much better to go in
Boracay.
Boracay, Bohol, than
Palawan.
Island.
Yes.
Swim, 10-meter very cold water.
Yeah.
So you swim very cold water.
No.
Why? Much better in cold water because cool down. Like sleeping in cold water.